How to rearrange photo albums on iPhone with iOS 18. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the Tech Studio, and today's guide video I'll show you how you can rearrange your photos in iPhone albums. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right into the video, guys. Well, so customizing or rearranging the Photos album on the Photos app is pretty quick and easy, and this will give you the perfect look on the application. Now to do that, open up the Photos application from your device and go all the way to the bottom right here, and he'll get to see the customize and reorder. If you tap on this one, and he'll get to see all the feature that comes with the Photos application. He'll get to see the options, recent, people, pin collection, and all this one. So now if you want to appear any option from here, make sure it's selected with the green tick right over here. But if you want to deselect anything from the list, then you just need to deselect. Let's say I just want to deselect the people from here, and I just want to show the memories on the gallery and also shared album on the gallery, and make sure it's selected and deselected that you want to show or hide. And if I get back from here, he'll get to see all the selected albums right over here. But if you want to do a little more things, for example, if I tap on the pin collection, he'll get to see the modify. If I tap on this one, it's going to give you more pin collection. So if you want to pin other collection like people, pages, and albums and other options from here, you can tap on this plus button in order to add those to your pin collection. But if you want to remove, you can tap on this red button right over here in order to delete or remove the pin collection from here. And this is how you can customize or rearrange the photo album on iPhone. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.